वाहेगुरु वाहेगुरु. Friend, this is third letter number 3. Laudable suggestion. Sir, Aparna Chattopadhyay in search of lost ghazal. Sir, Aparna Chattopadhyay in search of lost ghazal. April 15. Made interesting reading. The writing, however, is bereft of some most striking aspects of the lost ghazal singing. In the galaxy of vocal music, Hindustani explosions, ghazal singing came to occupy a pivotal position since the heydays of Urdu poetry. When the writer mention about andaz and adaigi of ghazal singing, one is naturally reminded of a report between the ghazal singer and the audience. The further reminds one of the traditional style, a style which is almost dead, with late Begum Akhtar. The aspect has not been mentioned at one place. The writer appears to be scanning only 3 decades. Beginning from 70s, but on the other hand, she talks about K.L. Sehgal, who died in 1946. From Sehgal to Begum Akhtar died in 1975. There are many celebrities in the field, notably Afzal Hussain Naginewala and Mujaddid Niazi. Notably Afzal Hussain Naginewala and Mujaddid Niazi, whose performances were simply marvelous. They remained in oblivion because there was only AIR. AIR means All India Radio. There was only All India Radio at that time and no TV. There was only All India Radio at that time and no TV or cassette. All India Radio is at present doing a commendable work of projecting some traditional style ghazal singers which have not been mentioned by the writer. The suggestion of the writer about reviving the old saga and laudable, but whether ghost the real style of ghazal singing. Ghazal at present is mostly sung in Geet. Ghazal at present is mostly sung in Geet, Nagma, and even pop style sense, traditional style, with the accompaniment accompaniment of modern electrical instrumental gadgets, which steal away in original charm of presentation. In the golden era of yesterday has to be brought back. All efforts should be made to encourage and revive the traditional style. Yours, etc., Mahesh Indra Sharma. Friends, this is the third letter of my father, Mahesh Indra Sharma, classical singer, station director, All India Radio, and classical singer, Mahesh Indra Sharma. This is the third letter. Ghazal singer, song singer, and classical singer, Mahesh Indra Sharma. This is third letter. Printed in Writing Back column, The Hindustan Times, April 301995. Thanks. My name is myself is Mahesh Rose. Mahesh Rose. Waheguru. Waheguru. Mahesh Indra Sharma. Waheguru. Waheguru. Laudable suggestion. Laudable suggestion.